This is new. It's a lot of fun. The energy is infectious, so I'm enjoying everything, but I'm taking it like one step at a time. I mean, I didn't even know about the 90-piece orchestra. Maybe they told me, and I was so like excited I forgot about it. It's eventful, it's beautiful, and I'm so grateful that we're able to sort of premiere the movie in the grounds where fans come to celebrate what they've been so devoted to. It means a lot. To know that I'm a part of something that symbolizes peace and unity will forever be like one of the highlights of my career, I have to say.
It's kind of amazing, and I don't know how we made it here. We wanted to tell a story that felt like it could have been an episode of the original series. You know, it was like, let's try and pick a self-contained adventure that you could quite possibly have made for not much money in the 60s, even though it would have been a little smaller, but then marry that with the kind of spectacle of a modern blockbuster. And so it was infused at its heart with Star Trek, but at the same time it felt comfortable on the summer stage. It feels like a kind of spiritual home for Star Trek, really. You know, this is a celebration of enthusiasm and people's love for fantasy and fiction, and you know, it belongs here in a way. And so I'm I feel very honoured that we're doing this tonight. You know, it's a special night for us in so many ways, in ways that are very happy and ways that are very sad. So it's you know, it's great.
You know what? It is so crazy. This is my third year doing a concert at Comic-Con with Star Trek movies now, and it's not just a concert because we actually play the entire score for the whole movie as you're watching the film. So the orchestra is going to be up there for the first time, and no one's ever done this before, so we're hoping it's a good idea. You know what? There's a lot of new stuff, a lot of new material, a lot of new themes, and you'll hear the old theme in a lot of different ways and new stuff. Yeah, it definitely feels like a fresh, new, completely different film. It is the best. It is the best. And to be able to do this for the fans here, I am so happy because they come down here. They're all the nicest people in the world. And what better gift to give them than a big old premiere and a concert right on the 50th anniversary.
Yeah, I was going to say, what a way to celebrate that franchise.
Absolutely. And outside with the incredible view and all of this. I mean, come on, San Diego's the greatest.
They want us to do just a real quick, organic shout out to the people who are going to go see this film. If you want to see this, guys, look at this. Look at this Zoolander mug. Look at this guy. Look at this
Blue steel.
New Zealand
Blue
kiwi.
steel.
Just off the waves.
Hitman.
Auckland.
Hitman moves. Oh my God.
Go check out our
Hi, Karl.
Feels like we're in San Diego at Comic-Con. Look at this. This is the biggest screen in the world. First outdoor IMAX. I'm a little bit excited. Right? Michael Giacchino directing a live orchestra for us tonight. What can I say? It's a blessing. It's a privilege and a pleasure, and you know, as long as they keep throwing parties like this, I'm going to come back. Hey, I got to say, Justin was amazing. You know, he came into this. He came in late. He brought this, you know, wealth of passion and energy. You know, obviously, he's directing the Fast and the Furious movies, and he was able to put all of that together and, you know, deliver a kick-ass film. I think they're going to get a big-time space movie, full of explosions, full of great funny character beats. Something goes missing, we fix something. Supremely exciting.
Oh man, it's a dream come true, really. I mean, I think Star Trek's been such a big part of my life and part of my family, and I just can't wait to share it with everybody. You know, it's been 50 years, and I felt like it was time to maybe deconstruct Star Trek, and hopefully by the end, with these great characters, it'll reaffirm to all of us why there's so much passion, so much love for this franchise. Unbelievable, unbelievable! I can't. And a live orchestra, can't wait. Star Trek's is such a unique franchise. It's the only franchise in the cinema that's been able to thrive in multiple mediums. So, growing up, a space battle should be equally compelling as two characters talking in a room. And that's what I love about Star Trek.
Bananas, is that a word? It's great. I mean, we're taking it right to the fans, and Star Trek has the OG fan base, and they saved the show from being canceled originally, and have kept us afloat. So it's cool to be able to bring it straight to them. Justin's great. He's a calming force. He's a genius. He's a savant, and we were in great hands. It's an honor. I've just always felt like it was one of the best things that American pop culture has given to the world. It's a great message of peace and hope, and so I've always felt a special affinity to Star Trek and what it represents, really. So I'm happy about it. It's so crazy. Is that real?
Yeah.
Okay.
90
I'll believe it when I see it. I feel like it's a hoax.
90-piece orchestra, I'm told. So, yeah.
90 pieces? Wow.
Yeah.
It's always fun to be at Comic-Con. The energy is like nowhere else. And on a night like this, which is such a beautiful night, with what we've got planned, with the orchestra playing, the score live, with IMAX, first outdoor IMAX theater, and on a movie that I think is an incredibly fun adventure. It should be a really fun night, so it's a thrill to be back. We needed to do something that was going to honor the 50th anniversary, but at the same time, that's not what the movie was going to be. It needed to be a story that had, a new level of, testing this crew, sort of an opportunity to do what Star Trek does so well, which is ask sort of philosophical questions in a way that's really entertaining. And the story that Simon Pegg and Doug Young came up with, along with Justin, the director, is something that's a sort of a survival story. And what these characters go through felt like a really intense and sort of robust kind of a story that these characters, with their senses of humor and humanity, could really sort of elevate. And I think Justin, delivered on that.
Big, huge. I mean, big screen, big orchestra, big crowds. It's good. It's good.
90-piece orchestra.
90-piece, no less. Guess who's conducting? Not me, but nonetheless, it's going to be amazing. Very special, man. 50 years. I used to watch it when I was a kid. I never thought when I was 11 years old that one day I would be, in a Star Trek film. And I'm, of course, playing a coveted villain, is a very special thing. So I'm very proud of that. Good. He's a great director, visionary, very collaborative, very thoughtful. The cast, though, were so really embracing. They've been doing two films together, and this one they really brought me in, so it was great.
Oh, it's fantastic. We've never been here before as a group, so it'll be a lot of fun, and to have it outdoors with 3,500 people in IMAX with a live score, it'll be incredible. It's an honor, really, and to be a part of something that's this well established and has had such an impact on people. It's quite exciting to be a part of it. Justin was great. He had to come in pretty late in the game and get a lot of moving parts coalesced very fast, and he did a great job.
I'm really excited because I know everybody's really eager and excited, and it's basically a bunch of fans everywhere. So it's always the best to show films for fans, for people who truly love it. I love the franchise. I didn't know much about it before, but now I do, and I really, I love everyone on this cast, and I love what the franchise represents and what the history of the movie, of the franchise is, and they're very much avant-garde, and they're ahead of their time, and they always have been. Oh, thank you. I haven't seen it yet. I'm going to see it now.
that on television.
Dr. Leonard Bones McCoy. He's an actor, not a doctor. Please welcome Karl Urban. Let's get him up here.
Good evening.
So cool to see you. How are you?
Very good. Are you guys out of your Vulcan minds? Are you ready for a blasting film? Well, you're in for a treat.
Back is Communications Officer Nyota Uhura, originally played by Nichelle Nichols. Please welcome Zoe Saldana. You look beautiful. Oh,
Thank
hi.
you. Hi.
How are you?
Okay.
I'll teach you to do that sometime. No.
I can't do that.
You may be a great doctor, but you don't know how to go.
Steadiest hands in the fleet.
Following in the footsteps of the legendary Leonard Nimoy as the pragmatic half-Vulcan, First Officer Mr. Spock, please welcome Zachary Quinto! I'm sorry, where were you? Great to see you. How you doing? How are you?
I'm liking this motorcycle look you got going on.
I actually am a motorcycle messenger here in San Diego for the week. Yeah. This is the first time you'll be seeing it with a crowd, is that right?
Well, it's certainly a crowd like this with a live orchestra and an IMAX screen on the marina at San Diego Comic-Con. Where else would we be? This is incredible. And happy 50th anniversary Star Trek. And amazing people here. Thank you guys all for coming. Thank you. Happy Comic-Con. Live long and prosper.
Returning to the role originated by William Shatner, your captain, James Tiberius Kirk. Please welcome Chris Pine!
Hello!
There he
It's
is.
a long walk past the cellos. I've found my way here. Hello, Conan.
You're a handsome fellow. Nice
How
to
are
see you. How are you? In the role of Chief Engineer Montgomery Scott, originally played by the late, great James Doohan, please welcome the co-writer of this film, Simon Pegg!
Good evening.
How are you, Simon? Good to see you. Making his Star Trek debut in the role of Karl, doesn't sound like a good guy, please welcome Idris Elba!
Hello. What's up,
Hey,
Conan?
how are you? Yeah,
How
good
are
to
you,
see
boss?
How's it going?
I'm really good. How you doing, Comic Con?
Yeah. Return to the role of Navigator, Hikaru Sulu, the role originated by George Takei. Please welcome John Cho!
John Cho!
John Cho! Good to see you. I'm jealous. Your hair is higher than mine. This is fantastic. Mine was
Thank
killed
you.
by the humidity. You look fantastic.
You look fantastic as well.
Thank you.
In the leathers.
Yeah, whatever. I just thought I'd do this. I was told when you're by the water and it's humid, you put on a heavy leather coat. Making her Star Trek debut in the role of alien ingenue, Jayla, please welcome Sophia Boutella. Yes! Oh.
I got her.
Oh.
He gets me all the time.
Nicely done.
On the stage.
He's the director of the last 2 Star Treks and someone who wrote and produced 2 more movies on the way over here. Please welcome J.J. Abrams!
Hello. Hey, everyone. I'm very excited the idea that we're here at the first outdoor IMAX theater ever, where the San Diego Philharmonic going to play live. That's a thrilling thing, and the movie is a complete blast. I can't wait for all you guys to see it. Very excited.
Returning for his 3rd Star Trek film is one of the most prolific film composers working today. Please welcome Michael Giacchino.
We have the San Diego Symphony, and we have the Sacra Performa choir in the back. You can't see them, but there's a huge choir in the back that is singing tonight too. So we want to thank them. All right? And I want to bring out the man, the reason why we're all here tonight. This guy made an incredible movie. I had so much fun working with him. He's such a sweet, gentle person. I want to bring out Mr. Justin Lin. Thank you, everybody.
And I inherited an all-star cast, unbelievable. They were such a great group of people. They were already done 2 amazing movies, and for them to really kind of welcome me, Idris, Sophia with open arms, and to kind of earn their trust, and also at the same time challenge them, it meant everything, because these characters were part of me and part of my family. Thank you, guys.
Did you know that Star Trek Beyond is the first Star Trek film ever to be shot mostly in Vancouver, British Columbia, and not in Hollywood? All existing sets, including those of the Starship Enterprise, will be rebuilt from scratch in a large studio in Vancouver. Do you think we will be able to tell the difference? Click here for more cool videos. Thanks for watching.